Hello and welcome to another update video about Kucoin. In this tutorial, I want to cover how you can buy and sell on Kucoin. We want to keep it very basic in this tutorial. It is more a tutorial for people who maybe just started to use Kucoin, who might be interested in using Kucoin, or who need to get a bit more familiar with those trading dashboards. This is not a tutorial that will teach you how to trade, but it will show you how you can buy and sell spot on Kucoin. If you want to learn how to trade, there is much more involved with that. So that will take much more time. But this could be one of those tutorials that you watch as part of your trading education. So how to buy and sell on Kucoin then? This is the main dashboard on Kucoin. By the way, I use Kucoin mainly to buy and sell altcoins, but I got used to it, so I also use it for Bitcoin, Ethereum these days. It is one of the largest altcoin exchanges, and I mean they have, I think, of all exchanges, this is one of the exchange that has one of the most, or that offers one of the largest selections of different altcoins that's available. You can check all these altcoins that you can actually trade here if you click on markets, and you can actually see what kind of assets they offer. Yeah, here 24 pages, and then you can also take a look at the different, if you click on spot, the different trading pairs. So you can trade versus BTC, you can trade versus Kucoin token, you can trade versus different altcoins or just stable coins. I normally use the stablecoin option. It gives me the least headache when I have to file my taxes. So it always is a bit of a mess when you have crypto trading pairs. So how to trade then? Well, you trade in terms of, you can trade or buy and sell. First of all, you need to click here on this little wallet there. You can, on Kucoin you have different accounts. So for this purpose of this video, we focus only on the main account and the trading account. So you've got a main account, which is yeah, just sort of really what it is. It's your main account. You've got your assets on there, but you can't trade in the main account. So when you want to trade, you have to transfer coins over to your trading account. For example, USDT. If I buy USDT with fiat on Kucoin, which you can do, which I need to do if I want to trade with USDT. So I buy USDT first, which you can just go do in the fast trade option. This is not really trading. This is only if I want to buy fiat, if I want to buy a stable coin, so I can trade with different altcoins. Because, for example, I can only buy COTI with USDC or USDT. Yeah, so I need some stable coins here on the exchange. So I do that by just fast trade, and you can buy with your with Visa or MasterCard or so. But then those coins, those stable coins, will land in the main trading account. So if I just double check here, do I have any USDT left here? Not really. But if I then want to convert it or transfer it over to the trading account, because that is where I need them if I want to trade and buy and sell something, some other cryptos, then I have to click on transfer. Yeah, and I click from main account to trading account. I select the amount, I type that in here, or just click on it, and it gives me the amount of USDT I have in my main account, and I click confirm, and it will send it over to the trading account. Now I can also change this around. If I go to the trading account, I have some USDT on here. So just to show you how it works, you click on transfer and trading to main account, so we send it the other way around. I click confirm, and these USDT will appear in my main account. Now it sometimes takes a few minutes for them to appear. Let's see if they're already there, so they don't show on here. So I've now waited a few minutes. It has now appeared on my main account, these USDT. So what I have to do, I have to transfer them back to the trading account. That is how it works. You select from main account to trading account USDT, and it doesn't cost you any fees because it's an internal transfer. So how to trade then? So if we go to trading now, this is where you see all those different coins that you can trade. So there's two ways of getting into the actual trading dashboard. The first way is you click on, you hover over the trade section up there and select spot trading. That will take you straight away onto the trading dashboard. The other one is that you just select the crypto you want to buy here. So let's say I want to buy BTC, and I click on trade, and I select I want to trade BTC USDT, and then I click on it, and it will take me into the trading desk. Okay, so now I am here on the trading dashboard, and this is how it looks. Yeah, it can be quite complicated when you are only just starting that. They do offer a bit of a tour up here that you can take when you wanna, when you start this. But actually, you only need a few sections here. So first of all, this is the chart, the price chart, a candlestick chart. I'm not going to talk you through all the technical analysis here. This would be something for another tutorial. But this is basically where you can do some basic technical analysis. But I would personally use, for just doing that, I would personally use my own charts on TradingView. This is, by the way, linked to TradingView. So these are all the tools and and everything from TradingView. But yeah, how to do that now? So first of all, this is the order book. Yeah, just to give you a little bit of orientation, you've got the order book here. These are all the orders that are being entered of people who want to actually sell Bitcoin, and these are all the orders of people who want to actually buy Bitcoin. And the prices down here will always be lower than the prices up here. And these are the recent trades. So these are open orders. Yeah, so if you enter an order, it will also appear here. Some people use this information to, base their own trades and, use that information to see where are certain supply and demand clusters. But, you don't need to worry about that in the beginning. Important is here you can see all the recent trades. So you can also see what kind of amount of BTC per trade is going out. Up here, you actually see the actual price of BTC. How much did the value increase or drop in the last 24 hours? You see the 24-hour high, low, the 24-hour amount. So how many BTC were actually traded in the last 24 hours and the volume. Yeah. And then you can buy and sell Bitcoin if you want to. So how to do that? First of all, we've got the simple option of going with the so-called market order. So this down here is where you actually buy and sell. So very simple. The most simple way to do this is to select the market order. So I've got a certain amount of USDT now on my trading account. Not much, but just for the purpose of this, it will be sufficient. So what do? Very simple. I can just select market. The market order is an order type that will trigger as soon as possible for the best market price. So let's say I have 17 USDT, we just checked that, yeah, 17 USDT, and I want to buy BTC with that. So you can see it's already taken that. Volume is 17 USDT. This is my available USDT that I have on my account. I can also select here 100%, 75%, 50% of the USDT I have. If I select market order and I click buy BTC now, it will trigger that purchase straight away, and I will get BTC for the value of 4.4 USDT if I've got it like that. I can also add a limit order. So that's just another way of buying. If you just, let's say, want to dollar cost average into Bitcoin like once a week, and you go into Kucoin once a week and you buy, and then you usually would select market order because you're not too worried about short-term price fluctuations and you have a long-term view. So the market order is the most simple way of dealing with this. If you want to buy for a specific price, so let's say you have done your technical analysis, the current price is 16,468. If you say, okay, I see, let's say, support in this area, I want to buy towards the lower end of this wick, so at $16,300, because I believe that the price will go up afterwards. Then you select a limit order and you type in the price, 16,300. That is when the order will get triggered. Okay, so 16,300 USDT. So then you now need to establish how many BTC do you buy for that. So if I select, it depends on how many USDT you are now using. So I can now select 100% of my USDT will give me 0.0010799 BTC. If I use less of my USDT, it will obviously drop. So you can select it here, 25, 50%, 75, 100%. So if I now select 100%, I click on buy BTC. You have placed the order successfully and it will show in my open orders. This has not cost me any fees because the order hasn't been triggered, but it will trigger at 16,300. You see it down here, open orders, not triggered. Yeah, when I entered it, what kind of order it is. I have a buy order, so I'm going to buy BTC with my USDT at this price. The amount I get, nothing is filled. This is unfilled. I can just cancel it again, which I'm going to do. And this is how you buy BTC with USDT on Kucoin. How to sell? Very easy as well. It's just the same way, just the other way around. So If I have any BTC, now I want to sell BTC now, I want to get USDT for it, and I click market orders, again, the simple way of doing it. So let's see if I have any BTC. So I don't actually have any BTC. So again, but it's the same story. I select 100%, for example. If I wanted to sell all my BTC, I select the best market price and I click on sell, and it will trigger straight away. I can also click on a sell limit order. So let's say I want to take profits, for example, yeah, with a sell limit order. I want to take profits when Bitcoin reaches, maybe let's have a long-term view, when Bitcoin reaches 50,000 USD or USDT, yeah. So you can always see the USD price here as well. This is always a little bit different, USDT from USD, because it is tied, the price of USDT is tied to the US dollar, but it's not always 100%, not always 1-to-1, but very, 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 very close. So for at 50,000 USDT, I want to sell my BTC. Now I don't have any BTC at the moment, therefore I can't do it, but that is how I would do it. How many of my BTC do I want to sell at that price? And I click sell BTC, and it would show up as a sell limit order here on Kucoin. And that's how you do it, right? You can also see your order history down here, your trade history, but this is how you buy and sell in a very simple way, using the spot trading function, using a limit and a market order on Kucoin. Now in another tutorial we can talk about the different order types in a little bit more detail, talk about the stop orders as well and how to use them. So maybe one more thing to mention here, which is very important. You can actually pay your fees with Kucoin tokens. So if you have any Kucoin tokens on your account, you can pay these fees. So it says when pay fees with KCS is enabled, you will receive a 20% discount on your current trading fees. This discount does not apply if your trading fees are already below 0.02%. Now I never do that, and the reason I don't do that is, for me, it just gives me a headache with taxes. But if you're happy to do so, this is one way of how you can get a discount on your trading fees. Another way of getting a 20% discount on your fees, and this one would be in addition to that, is if you use my affiliate link that you can find in the description. If you want to register on Kucoin using that link, you will get a 20% discount on your trading fees as well. And you will support the channel with that as well. Okay, so hopefully you like this tutorial. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.